Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Rainsworth shower head. Whoa, it's a filter handheld shower head here. Oh, softens hot water, high pressure, and it is water saving. And you have 3 spray modes. You have a premium filtration media. The internal filter composes of the composite activated natural coconut shell carbon fiber. The absorption rate of carbon fiber is 10 times of the mineral balls. You have a hard water filter in it. Professional chlorine removal shower filter, soften hot water, removal of fluorides, heavy metals, enhance your water's pH balance. And you have 3 function shower head here. The hand shower head with 3 spray levels from gentle spraying to high pressure massage offers us and we will have our whole family will have a luxurious shower experience according to our personal taste. Yeah, super easy installation. It has an universal G1 half connection. Installed in a few minutes without tools. Capacity of the cartridge is 16,000 gallons of water, which provides clean water for 4 to 6 months, depending on our water quality, of course. And it's really easy to attach. I will show you here in that video. You have a high quality PP cotton. The filters, sand, rust, suspend solids, and some parts of protozoans. Activated carbon filter effectively removes pesticide residues, organic matter, unpleasant taste and smells. And you have nano deoxidization media. Unique combinations media removes over 99% of chlorine, harmful chemicals, and sediments. Oh, and this is full function because it is built to the grip. I will show you. And it's organic. 100% organic coconut shell. Activate the carbon with good adsorption protectors and high hardness. Oh yeah. 10 times purification capacity. PP cotton can remove over 99% of chlorine dust, rust, sand, impurities, and unpleasant odors. Nice. And you can see there is a tape in it. You can use this tape to circle it around the hub on the bottom side to make it more to make not that the water is running out, but it's not even to do every time. Only do this if there is a leak. You have high effectively remove the harmful substance. The filter shower head helps fast remove the chlorine fluid and chlorine, heavy metals, and other sediments, enhance the water purification capacity, and maintain the water pH balance. Oh. Media refined by natural raw materials. 100% organic coconut shell. Activate the carbon fiber. The absorption rate of the carbon filter is 10 times to the traditional minerals balls, more fully filtered. And you can protect every guy, girl, adult, kid, pet, and all other kind of living materials which you're going to protect with this filter, which is built in this shower head. Oh yeah, there it is, the filter itself. You can replace the filter, it's no problem. You can see only rotate the grip off by rotating it left turn. Then you can attach a new filter, and everything's begin again. Super filter, oh yeah! And you have anti-clog silicone nozzle. This is awesome too, because there can, of course, build a little bit of silicone, some minerals on it, but to remove them it's so easy. Only wipe over it and the minerals are gone. This is the anti-clog silicone nozzles. Yeah, it's really easy to clean the silicone nozzles. The shower head highly polished surface with silicone gel nozzles to prevent lime buildup. Simply remove the lime scale by rubbing the silicone water outlet nozzles. The material enables an even flow and avoids blockage. You have a high pressure and a water-saving design. Tiny revolutionary conical water holes that push water through the 5 times smaller holes on the surface of the head. The revolutionary micro nozzle technology makes the outlet hole smaller and denser and increases the speed of the water flow, which increases the water pressure at the same time, up to 30% of water saving. Wow! And it's really easy to switch. Particularly switching function is on board. Filter shower head with 3 modes: precipitation, massage, jet spray, and each mode is a special shower experience for us out there. 4.7 inches large size. A large area can be covered with water that falls gently on the skin. That shower head can experience the real feeling of rain, as can the SPA massage to relieve some splashes, tiredness, and stress. It is the best choice, a decision to enjoy our lives. The measurement is full is 275 millimeter, and the shower head on the top is 32.1 millimeter thick. The 120 millimeter wide, 120 millimeter high, and you have a G 1/2 inches hub on the bottom side. So let's remove the old shower head of my tube here. It's really easy. You will not need any kind of tool, but take care there has to be a rubber inside. So job's done. Now the new head is assembled easily, as you can see. Yeah. So now there's only one to do. Let's have a shower. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And here you can see how smooth and gentle the water is coming out. And use the button to switch between the different kinds of the switch and shower experience functions. Here you can see all of them: jet spray, massage, and precipitation. Woo! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And it looks really nice on my shower head, as you can see. Soon.